So here is a TENG torque wrench, 1/2 inch. This is the one with a high torque range, 70 to 350 Newton meters. And to give you some scale, that's a small scalpel next to it. So let's open it up. Right, okay, let's open this up. Clean incision. Tell you what, this is heavy. I'd say this is probably just shy of 10 kilos. So it's the, and if you can see that, it's the E4R model, which means it's a reversible torque wrench, so you can tighten in both directions. So here's some of the key things. This is the certification of conformance. So this is essentially telling you that it has been calibrated, and you can see there the tolerance is plus minus 4%, and the range is 70 to 350. Okay, and here we have the torque wrench. Wow, it's actually really nice to look at. The knurling on here feels really high quality. I think before I go any further, I just need to wipe it down because it's got a protective layer of wax, which I've now got all over my hand. But I'll wipe it down and I'll come back and give you a run through of this torque wrench. Right, okay, so I've done a quick wipe down of the tool to get rid of any of the wax, and we'll just go through some of the features. So the main reason I need this is because I need to torque up some wheel hubs, and my current 1/2 inch torque wrench only goes up to 200. This is up to 350 Newton meters, so that should be sufficient for what I need to do with it. So basically the way you unscrew it is, there's a screw at the bottom here that locks it in place. You unscrew that, and now you can adjust by turning the handle clockwise. Is that clockwise? Yes, clockwise. And you can get it up to range. So if you look at the graduations, which are here, they're in 1, 2, 3, 4, every 5. I believe this is each rotation. I don't think that is 5 Newton meters. I think one full rotation. Yeah, so that there would be 17 Newton meters, I believe. So the next rotation would be, yeah, I need to figure that out. I need to have a look through. So there's a foot-pounds. So that is 105 according to this. Right, okay. 105 there. Okay, I've got it here. So basically here we've got 70 here. That there would be 75. That there would be 80. That would be 85. That there would be 90. That there would be 100. So yeah, each graduation is 5 Newton meters in range. So basically that's how you set it. So 2 key things, so I haven't used it yet, but once I've used it, I'll post back with a report. But 2 key tips for a torque wrench: you want to make sure whenever you've finished using it that you always wind the spring down. So this reduces the tension of the spring, and it will keep more accuracy. Lock it back in. The other thing is you want to always make sure that you never drop these or knock them or anything like that, because that can mess up the calibration. What I believe with what you can do with TENG tools is you can send this back every year and they will recalibrate it for you. The other thing which I just wanted to mention on here was the graduating head. So this is a really cool feature. So for example, when you're working on an engine, for example, and you have stretch bolts for the head, typically the torque settings are done in a few stages. it might be 100 Newton meters and then another 10 Newton meters and then maybe a 90-degree angle. So what you can do is you can center it up at the 0, you can torque what you need to do, let's say it's 90 degrees, and there you go, it's built in, so you don't need an additional angle gauge for this. So I thought that was a really nice little feature that they've managed to build into this. So yeah, that's everything from me. I might post a video after this just to say how I've got on with it, but I can just tell from feeling it, from looking at it, it's a really quality piece of kit. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting on with my job and getting it done. Thank you.